By importing the request module, the Python program can accept data coming from an API called news API. After getting its key from the included .env file, the program receives a list of recent news, limiting itself to 5 to avoid clutter. For every article, the news API gets the title for the article as AI title and the description as AI description, and then formats both to be interpreted by the LLM AI content. After the data in AI content is made, the LLM the AI begins as a variable titled AI response. As part of the input, it is given a prompt that makes sure it only summarizes the articles to avoid giving the emotion shown by asking it to summarize normally, such as saying certainly and okay or other introductions. It then pulls from the AI content available. The output is then labeled as a summary variable, after which a separate summaries variable appends all the summaries as a list for all 5 articles. This is all done as a for loop to make sure that the code only pulls from the number of articles, of which there's 5, to be summarized at a time. If there's any error, the code will print an error code from the API, shown here. The email client is loaded from the SMTP library module and imports MIME text and a MIME multipart from the email module. The host and recipient's accounts are loaded directly to the Python file. There was an attempt to load these from the .env file, but it did not work. The password is not the user's personal password. It is generated from an @password made after two-factor authentication was enabled. This, as well as the host server, is the main reason the host email is a Gmail account. The email begins with writing down the body, giving it the title, not the subject, as shown below, of your daily summaries. It then checks for each summary, as featured in the AI response, and appends it to the email body as part of a list. After the body is composed, the message variable is created to utilize MIME multipart. Using this, it composes who the email is being sent from, who is sent to, the subjects in the form of your daily AI-powered news summaries, and attaches the email body as part of MIME text. After that, the email is ready to be sent in the form of a try loop, where the email is connected to the server and attempts a login with the email's username and password, sending the email to the recipient with the message as a string. And if it's successful, we'll print to the console that the email was sent successfully. If there was any issue with the email sending process, it will print an exception as E that'll print an error code to the console. With this in mind, I will now demonstrate the effects of the email client in action. It is currently loading all the APIs. Now it's sending the email. It's probably where the prompt is being read. Yeah, now it's successful. Now we will have to wait a bit, and as you can see, I was successful in getting a list of summaries. That is all that I have to say. Thank you for watching, Dr. Clary.